Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford F-150, that generation year 2015, 16, 17. If you have one of those, you need to find where the fuse for the oil pressure control solenoid is located, which fuse you need to check, where to buy cheap fuses from, and relays as well. Why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste your time and money. All that will be covered today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. So which fuse we need to check for the oil pressure control solenoid? This is, guys, a 2016 Ford F-150 that we'll demonstrate on. We have 2 fuse boxes. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's right under the hood. Once you open your hood, guys, this is your engine bay, and if we zoom in a little bit, this is your car battery. Right behind it, guys, will be a fuse cover. You open that box there. Once you open that fuse box, you're going to see a fuse layout that looks just like that. This will be towards the front of your F-150. This is towards the windshield side right here, guys. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays, that way you don't waste time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So, guys, here you will have all kinds of fuses, relays, that if you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, if you're in a small town, or if you guys go to a parts store, they can be ridiculously overpriced or hard to find. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping. Check it out, guys, for your convenience. We always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind. This is, guys, what we need right here. That fuse panel for the oil pressure control solenoid will come in that right row here. From bottom to top, we're going to count the 3rd fuse, which is known as fuse number 97, guys, right here, that you will need to check specifically, that 10M fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.